Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back again to my channel. Today, as you can see, I'm making a very soft Kenkey. In fact, you all will love this recipe. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. This is where I share easy cooking recipes. So if this is what you're looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so to begin with this recipe, we're going to be needing a condo, and this is the white type of condo. You can use the yellow type if that is what you have. Okay, so next I'm going to divide this condo into two, one part for the flatter and the other one which I'm not going to be using for the flatter, but rather I'll add a flatter to it and mix everything together. So basically a flatter portion is also the banku part, so kindly note it. For the measurement, as I said, it shouldn't be the same. The flatter portion should be a little bit more, so I measured about 6 portions of condo, and the one that I'm going to add the flatter to it is about 11 or 12 cups. I'm using this small bowl as my measuring cup. Feel free to use any bowl, or you can equally use your measuring cup to measure this. Okay, the most important thing right here is your flatter portion should be a little bit small than what you're going to add or mix that flatter with it. Okay, now let's transfer that flatter portion into a cooking pot. I'll go in with enough water to mix the condo. Also make sure there isn't any lumps in it. Okay, so let's mix everything together until it's nice and well incorporated. And also the consistency of your mixture shouldn't be very heavy. It should be just perfect, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. So whilst that mixture is on fire, I'll go in with some salt to taste. Make sure the salt is enough to make your Kenkey taste really good. Okay, now let's stir this together very nicely until it starts to develop lumps, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. And when it starts to develop lumps, make sure to stir very well, because we don't want this flatter to develop any lumps at all. Okay, trust me, I don't like riding banku on stovetop, so if you're like me, you will find it a little bit difficult to do it. But trust me, always stay focused and you're going to do it in no time. If you don't want wahala, to just do this on your pot and you are good to go. Alright, so now while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now I've been cooking the flatter for about 10 minutes now. I want it to cook a little bit more, so I'll go in with water and allow both sides to cook for approximately 2 minutes. Then I'll rotate it and allow the other side to also cook very well. We don't allow a flatter to cook 100%. Yes, because we are not making banku or etel, so kindly note it. 50% done should be okay. Alright, so now after cooking the flatter for about 15 minutes, this is how it looks like. It's looking super good and perfect. So now let's transfer that flatter into a bigger bowl, and we're going to allow it to cool down a little bit before we go in with our condo, which is not cooked. And whilst everything goes in, I'll go in with my hands to stir everything together until it mixes very, very well. Kindly note it, if you don't want to use your hands, feel free to use your wooden ladle and you are good to go. The main motive right here is that we want everything to incorporate very well. And so at this point, I realized the dough wasn't that soft, so I needed to go in with extra water. It is totally optional, but if you want your Kenkey to really come out very soft and perfect, why not? Let's go in with water to mix until it's nice and ready. As you can see, it's looking super soft, and that's what I'm looking for, and it has also incorporated very well. Now all that is left right now is to start to mold this into a corn husk. Our corn husk also has been cleaned very well. As you can see, it's looking super clean. So now let's mold it into our corn husk until it's nice and ready. Kindly watch this process very well, because sometimes the procedure can be complicated, but if you watch it really well, it's really going to be very easy for you to also know how to mold your Kenkey in your corn husk. Trust me on this one. Now, whilst we're enjoying the process, let me use this opportunity to inform you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still done that yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also, do turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. And also do give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done that yet, and also share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now that we are done molding our Kenkey, it's looking super neat and perfect. So let's go ahead and cook our Kenkey. So in a different pot, I'll go in with some corn husk, and the corn husk is going to help the Kenkey not stick to the bottom of the pot, and also helps it not to burn quickly. Okay, so now let's go in with our Kenkey, and once that is done, I'll go in with hot water. Yes, I intentionally use this hot water because I want this Kenkey to cook very fast. Now let's cover it with some of the corn husk as well, and we're going to cook on high heat for approximately 3 to 4 hours. Trust me, we really want this Kenkey to really cook very well. Whilst our Kenkey is cooking very nicely, let's go ahead and grind our pepper sauce, which we're going to enjoy alongside with our Kenkey. So basically, our pepper sauce is just pepper, onion, fresh tomatoes, and also some salt to taste. Feel free to add in any other thing of your choice. Now we're going to grind everything very well until it's nice and smooth. If you really want to use blender to blend this pepper sauce, why not? Feel free, but make sure not to add in too much water, and also make sure not to blend until it's nice and very smooth, because your pepper sauce is going to turn out very watery and we don't want that. Okay, so now let's enjoy the process of this pepper sauce, and once that is done, we will proceed to the next stage. And now our pepper sauce is nice and ready. It tastes really good. Now let's go ahead and check on our Kenkey. It's been 4 good hours, and why not? Let me check on it to see if it's ready. And as you can see, this Kenkey looks super soft. I love everything about this. It turned out really good. All that is left right now is to serve ourselves and enjoy. I'll be enjoying mine with some 1,000, which is also fish, and also some red snapper, shito alongside with it, and also some red pepper sauce. You can omit the onions if you don't want it, but you can't omit it because it also add good taste to the Kenkey. Trust me on this one. And do you see that softness over there? This Kenkey was just the best Kenkey ever make. All you have to do is to trust the process, as I always say. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and see you in my next upload. Bye.